start with the name of Almighty Allah, Great God, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Peace and blessing be upon all viewers. Welcome on Supernature Azim Kudrat YouTube channel. Our today video is about how to change uploaded video thumbnail. It's very easy and simple way to change thumbnail. Only a few steps to do it. Design a thumbnail in Photoshop or whatever you want to use. I am used to with Microsoft PowerPoint, so I design in it already and save it. Here I am in Video Manager on my YouTube channel. Select a video which you want to change thumbnail and then click on Edit button of the video. Then click on Video Thumbnail in Thumbnail sidebar and click on Change Image. Now select the picture and click on Open Icon button. Wait for few seconds to complete the upload procedure, and that's it. Now click on Save Changes icon. Now go back in Video Manager and check it out. Here you saw the thumbnail is changed. Now again check it and click on Edit button. Now we are in edit mode and you saw here the previous thumbnail along with this new thumbnail. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe our channel and share this video. God bless you. Along with new videos soon we will visit you again. Take care.